If you want to make money in forex market just like this video is for you. We started a challenge to grow $100 to $5,000 within 14 days, and this is what we are doing currently. As you can see, the balance is $3,000. So in the next few days, you should be able to hit that target, which is $5,000. This is day 9. So let's get started. In this video, you learn what forex is, how to get started as a newcomer, and also what you need to put in place to be successful as a forex trader, which is one is risk management. We will emphasize on that, and also how to take trades, what forex market is briefly, and then and so on, and also the broker that I am using. It's very important that you choose a reliable broker. So I will leave the link of my broker in the comment section. So when you join through the link, you get 100% first deposit bonus. And also, I'll be sharing with you my Telegram and WhatsApp channel in the comment section, also the description of this video, so that when you join those links, you get more of tips. And also, I'll be sharing with you my daily trades, so you can copy my trades and trade with me and be successful, hopefully. So let's get started. I will take you to my phone screen now so that you can see what I do on daily basis and how you can grow as a forex trader. But first of all, hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. Then if you are new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to know when I drop a content like this. Thank you so much. So let's go to my phone screen now so that you see how you can register with my broker, and also what you need to put in place to be successful as a forex trader. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is my phone screen now, and this is the platform. Once you click the link in the comment section or the description of this video, it will take you to this page where you see go trading or create an account. Once you click on create an account, it will take you to this point where you have to provide your phone number. Your country will automatically show there. Then the next one will be your phone number, your date of birth. Then they will ask you if you are an experienced trader. You can say no since you are new. Then click on confirm that I'm a citizen of this country. Once you click that, then click on continue. It will take you to this other page where they will ask you either you want to create a real account or a demo account. You click on real account, then it will ask you which platform do you want to trade with. Is it MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or the Octa trading app? Then you choose Octa trading app. Once you do that, they will take you to where you put your leverage. Leverage is just the amount of risk that you want to take. Then they will recommend 1 to 1, that is 1 to 100. So you click on 1 to 100. Then that is it. Then they will take you to where they tell you that your account is fully created. Then you can then go forward and deposit. Once you click on deposit, it will take you to this page where you select the platform that you want to deposit with, and then I will advise you choose a local bank transfer so that you get to verify your account. Once you click on bank transfer, they will tell you to verify your account. This verification will take nothing less than 2 to 3 hours. Once you put all the information, your either password or any of the national identity card, you snap the pictures and send forward them everything that they ask you for. Then in the next 2 or 3 hours, your account will be verified. Once that is done, you are ready to go. So then you now go ahead and click on deposit. Then you deposit. Once you deposit, you get 100% bonus. So I will click on 100% friendship bonus. Click on that. Then click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to select the banks that you want to transfer the money from. Then you select your bank that you are using, then make deposit. Will show you the conversion rate. For example, in this case, I'm going to deposit $100. You convert it to dollar. 100,000 naira, convert it to dollar, it give you $62. Then once you click on continue, it will take you to this page where they show you the account number that you transfer the money to. Once you click copy the account number, go to your banking app transfer the exact amount to that the platform. Once you do that, your deposit is in your account automatically, and you receive a confirmation, a message that your deposit is successful. Then you can now start trading. But in this video, I want to recommend that you start with a demo account and then understand how the platform works, so that you'll be able to get something good out of this trading, because trading is risky. So you first of all learn the trade first, then and then before you can deposit money. Okay, guys, let's take a live trade and demonstrate how trading works practically. So I'm going to use my main account now, which is this, with a balance of $3,100 dollars. So I will take a trade, then show you how you can take your first trade, then what risk management is, and also different pairs and lot size that you can use to be successful as a forex trader. Number one thing you need to understand is that for you to be successful in this business, you need to be patient, and also don't be greedy. And next step is to manage your money. If you know how to manage risks, you'll be successful in the long run. And forex trading is not something that you start today and start making money. You might lose money as time goes on, but once you keep educating yourself and then learning more, you get to you, you get better at it, and then also start making profit. So I will just want to take you to a live trade. I'm using BTC, that is Bitcoin, against USD to trade today. So that is BTC USD pair. So as I mentioned earlier, there are over 300 pairs out there that you can trade with. So choose a particular pairs that you think you can trade, then study that pair, understand the pairs, then start trading. I'm using BTC, or if I don't trade BTC, I trade Euro USD. Those are the two pairs that I trade on daily basis. So this is the chart, BTC chart, as of today, being the 29th day of July 2024. BTC is currently at $69,700 dollars. So my prediction today is that BTC will hit 71,000, or it will hit 70,500. So that is where I will set my take profit, 70,500. That's my take profit one. Then my take profit two will be 70,000, $71,000 rather. So then my stop loss would be $69,300. So if the price drop below $69,300, the trade will automatically close. Then I'll take my loss and move on. So that is it. So let's get started. So at this point, I want to take the buy trade. So I'm buying USD. I'm buying BTC at $69,700 dollars. Then I'm using the lot size of 0.02. I will explain more what lot size and leverage means in the next video. So if you have any question or things that you need to understand, share with me in the comment section. I'll gladly make a video about it and also answer your question. Okay, this is where you put your stop loss and take profit, and this is where risk management comes in. So at this point, using lot size 0.02, then I will enter a trade at $69,700. So I will put my stop loss at $69,300 dollars. So if the price drop to that point, I will lose $10. So I will also put my take profit at 70,500 or 71,000. Let me try 71,000 here. Then with 71,000, I will make a profit of I'll make a profit of with 70,500. I'll make a profit of $14, though I will change it to 71,000, so that the my profit will be at least uh 2 to 1 ratio. So here I'll put 71,000, then that profit will now increase to $24 with the lot size that I'm using. This is just an illustration. I will close this trade immediately I'm done with this video because I've already entered a trade, a buy trade before. So that one is currently at a profit of about $30. So which if that hit my take profit today, which is 70,500, I will make 140 $45 or thereabouts. So I will show you that later in the video. So here my take profit is at 71,000. So once I click on open order, that means I've make that purchase. I buy the Bitcoin. So as you can see, the prices are changing. So I've clicked on open order. As you can see, this is the trade which I'm gonna circle for you. The first one that is showing minus 0.29. So that this one that I just circle with the green is the trade that I just take now. So you see that is currently a minus 0.29 cents. So once the price start appreciating, start going up, you see that this will change to green. The red will change to green, and then we start seeing profit. So this is the second one. Here is the my trade for today, which I entered the trade at 69,545. Then I put my take profit at 70,500. So with that, as you can see here, so if the take profit hit, I will make a profit of $145. So my stop loss is at 69,300. So where that place that I circle, if you want to close your trade, you can just click that place and close your trade immediately. As you can see, that my first trade is at a profit of $34. So I can decide to close that trade and take that profit of $34, or I will wait until my take profit hits, and then the trade will close automatically. So that is just how to trade with this platform, which is Octa. And there are other platforms you can trade with. You can link this your broker, which is Octa, to MT4 or MT5. That is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. But since you can trade with Octa directly, so I don't want to bother myself trading with MetaTrader 4 or 5. And then the next thing that you need as a trader is what they call this platform they call Trading View. With Trading View is where you analyze the market. I will show you that in our next video. I'll do a special video on how to use Trading View and MetaTrader 4 or 5, so you know how to use those tools to analyze the market. And also in our next video, I will show you how you can analyze the market, how to use indicators, how to read candlestick, and then price action and the rest of them. So this video is just a beginner tutorial video on how to use a broker to trade Forex. So leave your comment in the leave your questions in the comment section. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and then hit the like button. If you are watching on Facebook, kindly follow us if you like content like this, and then